square paper, just like this.
First, we need to fold the paper like a triangle.
This is how you make a triangle. Like this.
And then we will fold the paper in the other side as well, like this. Afterwards, we need to fold the paper on each side like this.
Ta-da!
And then we need to turn it back and fold it like this.
This is how you make a cootie catcher.
We just need to put colors in the front, numbers, and a note.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. We'll see you later.